YouTube, what's up? It's Magnus. Today we're doing some work out here on the 3000 GT, a little spit and polish. We're gonna be back on the road here in no time. But yeah, seriously guys, we are working on the car today. We're getting, basically I'm salvaging everything from this one that is that I can use, and if there's anything that I can't use, I'm gonna sell. This is everything I've taken out of this car, and this is the donor car that I got when I bought Apex. I'll show you Apex here in a minute. Any of this stuff right here, also if you are interested in buying, a lot of this stuff still good. Those are actually stealth rear tail lights and corners for the front. Get at me on YouTube. I'll put a link to my eBay store. I've got some stuff listed on there. Axles, door cards, in pretty good shape. You can clean those up. Got the inserts for those. Now I'm taking the seats out. I'm keeping the seats, so sorry about that. But I already got the bottom took out. I just took the bolts out. The rear, I'm pulling those out, and I'm keeping this dash too, because the dash in my car that I'm gonna be working on restoring is toast, and this dash is beautiful. That's why I got this cover on it, just to keep it the sun from eating it up. This glove box also, that looks great. Mine's messed up in that car. But yeah, you see any of this stuff you want, get at me. Door seals, whatever. But anyway, gonna explain about what's happening here. But yeah, this is stuff I've took apart. This is the stuff I do when I'm not at work. I never sit still. I'm always doing something. But anyway, you guys know that if you're on my channel. So this is a 93 3000 GT. It started out life as a 3000 GT. Okay, Apex, which is the car I'm working on. Now this car was actually a Dodge Stealth, 93, same year model. And when I got it, it looked like that car. It didn't have anything on it. No fenders, the hood was gone, side skirt, nothing. So everything you see on this car now is what I've done to it, putting it back together. And I'm gonna go with red, since the majority of the parts that I took off that car were red. So yeah, the Stealth, it was green. It was an ES model, had the 6G72 motor. It needs some work too. Got to tear it down and do some gaskets and get it where it runs great, but it smokes. This is Stealth hood, top. I know I want to get the car painted. Gotta have this paint matched red. It's gonna go all the way down. Now this is where it turns into a Stealth right here. Now this is gonna be red too. This rear sail back here, this is the Stealth still. I took the rear deck off that car, the 3000 GT deck. It fits right on. I mean, these cars are identical. So if you're doing a swap conversion, it's simple. But like I said, everything on this car was already gone, and I had those parts. So I just went ahead and just kept on converting it into a 3000 GT. I mean, simple as that. Even down to the bumper and the rear. I'm gonna get a new center garnish. I'm gonna get the one from the 98-99. That says 3000 GT in the center. And I'm gonna pluck those letters off. Like I said, it's gonna all be painted red. It's two-tone right now. But also I've got fog lights. Now I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna put them in the oven, bake them, tear them apart, clean them, and I'm gonna paint them black, because I'm getting flip up LED lights that are gonna have a black housing, and I'm gonna make these black just to match. This little sound system was in the car when I got it. I had to clean the wiring up because it was terrible. Try to clean up a little bit. And that cover for the speaker, let me show it to you right quick. I'm painting the cover for the speaker. I got a few more coats of red to go on it, but just to make it, you know, dress it up, make it look good. All right, now this is the inside. Now inside is a lot better than what it was when I got it. See, there's my glove box. It's got a hole in it. Okay, you see the dash is destroyed. The sun does that to these cars. There's nothing you can do about it unless you keep it in the garage. But I've painted a lot of stuff, cleaned up. Microphone, that's a cool radio. I'll put the model number up for it. I think it's like 80 bucks. That's a Bluetooth radio. So, you know, that worked out good. Center console. These seats are gonna go, I got some racing seats picked out. But you see why I'm taking the seats out of the other cars, because these seats in the rear, they're destroyed. I got the bottom seat out already. I just got to get it cleaned up. I'm gonna use the Meguiar's Gold leather conditioner. It works really good. That's what I used on these doors, and that's why the doors look so good now. And remember, this car's 93. This car's old as crap, and they look. That product works well. I've used it for years, and it's never failed me. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Oh yeah, this changer, it still works too. I've got the original double din Mitsubishi radio. It works great. I got it for listed on eBay for like $350. I've seen this go for like $800 to $1,000. It's ridiculous. But yeah, that's where, like I said, all the green is from the Stealth. The red is from the 3000 GT. Like I said, I just went ahead and just did a conversion since these are the parts I had. So I'll put some pictures up also. When you're doing a conversion like this, the front of the front of the cars is where the slight difference is. Here where the headlights go, the buckets, this is higher up. I'll get that in the shot. This is higher up. Okay, so the corner lights, they go up under this. Now the Stealth front end is lower for some reason, and if you try to put the 3000 GT bumper on the Stealth, it's not gonna line up. So you have to notch this right here. You have to notch it. I'll put pictures up of how I notched it, cleaned it up, and ground it down, made it look good, just so the bumper can go on. But that's really the only like body work you got to do when you're doing this conversion. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. But yeah, I've been busy as hell, as you can see. Looks like Magnus used parts out here, and that's what it is. But hey, this is what I do. This is the stuff I do when I'm not at my 9 to 5 or hell 6 to until it gets dark job that I work. But that's it, guys. I've been Magnus. We're gonna keep working here and getting some stuff done. Bring you more next time. Peace. Have a good weekend.